How to use job templates with iCON Trade software to define layers and tolerances once and reuse them for future tasks. To create your own template, press Menu and select Job Templates. Press the New Template button, give a name or use the default name, and accept. All created job templates are listed on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Layers tab, it is possible to modify the layer. To edit the list, press Edit Layers on the bottom of the screen. You are now in the Layer Manager. Press New Layer and modify its name, line style, and colour. You can also select an existing layer and change its colour or line style. To select multiple layers, do a long press over one of them and add more layers to the selection. Press Confirm to save or Cancel to close the Layer Manager. Your set of layers are now defined. To import a set of layers from a DXF, DWG or PDF file into your job template, press the Import button on the right side of the screen. You can also import from existing jobs and existing templates. Navigate within the folder structure to find the desired file. Selected files appear on the bottom of the screen. Press Next to continue. Select which layer you want to import. Confirm your selection by pressing the Import button. The import only includes the layer structure with no content. In tolerances, you can define different levels of precision from high to low, or set your own tolerances, which will be applied to every new job. To delete a template, you need to press the three dots on the left. A dedicated AlphaCam countertops template is available when you have a Leica iCON Trades templating license activated. Press Default if you want to use this template for all new jobs from now on.